Hi, what's up everybody? This is the third week of my intermittent fasting sort of challenge, but like I said previously, it's not no longer a challenge for me because it became a habit, and I'm so glad for that. I can repeat myself from the second episode of the completion of this project that I really enjoy that I don't need to spend time on food. Now, what's getting more and more over the time is the quality of the habit, and I'm grateful for that. For one single reason, because I started to gain weight back, so I'm getting closer to 74 again. I mentioned in the previous episode that I've been struggling with this weight loss, which is not desired, and it's not the purpose of this habit development process, progress, whatever it is. And so I finally stopped losing weight. That's a huge plus. I'm almost completely off the feeling of hunger until 12, probably 1, possibly 2 in the afternoon. I'm completely fine without food. Now, again, I gotta refer back to the first week's report where I was complaining about not drinking enough liquid, and this is still a thing actually that I feel, and I understand that I do need to drink more because my lips are getting dry. I feel that I'm losing water a lot from my body, and that's partially responsible, I believe, for the weight loss that I've been struggling with. So to cut it short, guys, after the third week, I can say that it's no longer a challenge, it's no longer a struggle. I'm really grateful for that. In fact, I don't even see it as a challenge on a level that I don't think that I'm going to stop it. Of course, if I happen to have some hard training, hard competition, whatever, I do need to give all calories that my body and my muscles require in order to perform at my best. In order to do this, I do need to break intermittent fasting, but as long as I'm able to do it, I just love this like saving the money part, so it resonates with my mindset, and I'm grateful for that. So I do save money, I save time, and I feel more powerful. I don't really feel this like super food coma knocked out person in the early afternoon. Now, the downside is that it takes a lot of power actually up here not to slurp, not to eat like a hobo who sees food after 2 weeks of starvation. And this is something I need to control, and this is something I need to limit up here, not necessarily in the stomach where I can find the roots of this issue. But it's a good challenge, it's a good exercise for my mind, and that can be exploited onto other parts of my mind, like to restrain, to slow down, to rush, to be patient. So this is the only thing that I need to adjust to, and I need to catch up with, to be in line with the mind that I desire to have by the end of this month-long research ordeal, if you like. Nevertheless, guys, by the end of next week, I'll be able to complete this whole intermittent fasting, and then I'll get to see for real, for sure, whether this is something for me, not only as a YouTube content habit changing challenge, or rather as a new way of living my life on an everyday basis. So stay tuned and see you next week. Bye.